My daughter has these skinny jeans from the children's place. I think they were like 10 bucks each. And she asked me if I can rip up a couple of pairs. So I'm going to show you how I got them to look like this. From this to this. I used a serrated knife and a pair of tweezers. And then I cut 2 lines that are like parallel to each other. And the stitching that goes up and down is the one that you're going to be pulling out. It's pretty easy. It slides right out. And it's one by one, a thread by thread, but eventually it starts to look like a patch. Or shall I say like a ripped patch, you know, the way the jeans look. You just keep doing it, and it'll start to come together. And you keep doing it till you reach the ends of the lines. And after so long, it'll look like that. And then I roughed up some of the edges and just cut up some more holes and did more patches. And that's how the final pant came out.